Hello. We are going to show how to convert images. Basically, we show how to resize or scale image, and we are going to show you how to add text on image. Okay, and also maybe we are going to show you how to convert PNG image to something like .gpg or JPEG. Okay, basically, let's see, we have a few images. Let's view the image. EOM means air of mate. Mate is currently what I'm using for desktop. It's Ubuntu. We can see we have a few images. Let's use the short 11 as sample image. Let me show you what's EOM. Okay. What is EOM? EOM is the eye of mate, image viewer. It's the image viewer. You can get how to use it by man EOM, but basically we use it EOM, the image file. This time we can give it asterisk PNG. It means out the PNG file. Okay. Then we are going to make use this PNG file and make it a little bit easier to access. To convert this PNG file, let's see, to convert this file to GPG file, how to do it? We use convert to a.gpg, another file. It finished. Let's see. We can see GPG file is far less occupied less bytes than the PNG file. GPG has over 300 kilobytes, but the PNG, the source file, it has 6 megabytes. Let's tell what happened in this command line. We use convert. We convert the source file a.png to a.gpg. That's it. So we just redoed, so a.gpg got overwrite. Let's see. A.png it created at 1801 and a.gpg it's 1802, the time and the size. So what's convert? Convert is the program used to convert different image at command line tools. You can see convert between image formats as well as resize and resize, blur, crop, despeckle, dither, draw on, flip draw, resample, and much more. So it's very powerful. Let's see e.png. Let's see basic information. It's PNG image data. It has the pixel is 1920 by 1080 and 8-bit color RGB. I don't know what it means, but basically we know it's 1920 by 1080. So how to resize it? Let's try it. Convert. We use convert, give it option or subcommand. We let it do the resize. And how to do resize? We gave it new size, 800 by 600. Then the input file is a.png. The output file, let's name it 868x6. Okay. Keep the extension the same as the old file, the source file. Okay, it finished. Let's see, we got a 800 by 600 PNG file. Its size is 536 kilo, and the source is 6 megabytes. Okay. And we can check the file. It's 800 by 4050. It means it keep the ratio of the image. Let's view it. We just viewed the a.dot file. Start from a. This is a JPG. This is the PNG source a.png file, the source file. We use it as source. And this is the 800 by 6, but actually it's 800 by 450 pixels. So it kept the ratio. So it ignored our 800 by 600. 800 in wide and 600 in high. It ignored. It kept calculate it should be 450, and it do it this way. So now we learned, can we scale it up? Let's scale it up. 800 scale to the 1920 by 1080, and this time the source is, and we gave it name of back, scale back, scale down, and use the small file to scale it back. Okay. It finished. When it scale back, let's check the file. It has 1920 by 1080 pixels, but we can see the file size changed. We can expect that the pixel gets some kind of distortion. Let's see the file. This is restored a.back. This is the GPG, and this is the source file. Okay, we cannot you can find the distortion only if you watch it very carefully. Basically, we're not going to find where it gets distorted. Okay, this is the to convert it to different extension file types from PNG to JPG, and scale it, resize it from big image to small, and from small to big. Then next topic is add text on image. Let's see. We are going to use this kind of command line. Still, use convert. Font size, let's give it a little bit larger. Fill, give it white. Okay. Then we draw text from 100 to left, and 200 to top. Then add text on image. Okay, this is what we are going to add. Then we gave it let's try the PNG file, the source file, and okay, the source file is the PNG file. We capture use it as the source file. Then we add some text on it. The text should be add text on image. The position is 100 and 200. Okay, it should be white. The text should be in color white. Okay, let's do it. We should have a text add PNG. Let's just view this file, this picture. Okay, you can see the text has been added 100 from left and 200 pixels from top, and the content is add text on image. It's what we said. Okay, this is how to add text on image. Let's check the command line a little bit in detail. Font size means the size of the font. Basically, I understand it this way. If we change it to, for example, 180, we are going to notice the text in resize the overlay 2 times, for example, 2 times over 80. Then fill means use what color to fill the text. We tell it it's white. Then we draw text. Okay, dash draw means we are going to draw text. Text, the position from left and top edge. Then the content of the text inside the double quoted string. Okay, after we write down the text, we tell it the source image file is a PNG, and this time we give it a digit 2, number 2. Okay, let's do it. Nothing changed, but the size, the font size. Let's see. The file size is 2.4 megabytes, and let's view the image. This is the second time we try to add text. It's text add 2, and this is the first time we add text. You can see we change nothing but the font size. It's the font size, basically. Change from 80 to 160, double sized. Okay. And convert can do a lot, much more than this. How to rotate the image? I mean, turn it 19 degrees. Okay. Let's see here. It tells us use rotate. Okay, we give it the source image and tell it what to spell rotate. Okay, rotate 90 degrees and give a file name. Keep it. Let's rotate and change the extension. Change it to GPG. Okay. See. Let's view the source file and the rotated file. Okay. You can see this is the rotated a.png, and we rotate it and change it to GPG file. The file size turned from 1920 by 1080 to 1080 by 1920 because we rotated 90 degrees, turn it upright. Then this is the source file. I didn't, let's make it a little bit big. This is the source file a.png. It's 1920 by 1080. So we actually finished the two action. We rotated and we change the extension. Okay, let's stop here. We just introduced and demoed a little bit of the functionalities from convert. Where convert come from? This powerful command line. It's actually from the package of ImageMagick. You should notice that the last letter character is key. It's different. ImageMagick is different from Magic. It add a key. Let's see. ImageMagick gave us the command convert. You may notice it has a suffix of IM6. It should means ImageMagick 6 version 6. So basically, where is convert? You can see convert is user bin under the root directory user bin convert, but if we check it a little bit closer, we can find that it's linked to the etc alternatives. So this is how Linux link things up. Then we can see that it linked back to the user bin converter -im6. It means ImageMagick 6. So it's inside the package. D package means the bin package. L means list things about ImageMagick. Okay, I'm going to show you how to install it. Of course, when you're going to install it, you're going to use this is the package you are going to install. If you want to install it, submit this kind of command: apt-get install. That's all. After install ImageMagick, you get convert. This package basically should be found for most Linux distributions. Okay, this is ImageMagick, and we just used one command, convert, to show how to resize image, add text on image, transfer PNG file, different file extensions between image formats from PNG to JPG. Actually, you can do it for JPEG. Let's see it. Let me show you. Input file. Okay, we use a.png. Let's transfer it a.jpeg. Okay, let's view. You can see JPEG. It's same size as a.jpg, and let's view the image file. Okay, we can see this is JPEG file, this is JPG, and this is a.png, the source one, the source file. Okay, we didn't notice any noticeable by not so carefully observe the image. Okay, that's all. The convert, of course, convert has many more functions beyond what we just demoed. Hope this demo helpful. Thank you. Bye bye.